Welcome to the Avant STAMPe e-listening guide. In this video, you will learn how to put your best effort into the listening portion of your test. There are about 30 questions in this section. At the beginning, you will see a practice question, a blue audio button, and possible answers. Click the blue play button to listen to the recording and question. It will play twice. You can click the blue play button only 2 times. After 2 attempts, the button will become inactive. Select the best answer to the question and click Next to go to your test. Remember that this is only a practice question. Do not spend too much time on this question. It doesn't count in the final score. If you have any technical difficulties, please let the proctor or teacher know. First, look at the possible answers. Next, listen to the audio. Click the blue play button to listen to the recording and question. It will play twice. You may listen to the audio 2 times only. After that, the button will become inactive. Select the best answer to the question and click Next to continue. You will not be able to go back. The Avant STAMPe e-test is not timed, but remember, you will have about 30 questions to complete. Answer each question the best you can. This test is a snapshot of what you understand at this point in time. For more, go to avantassessment.com/video-tutorials.